Elements in the periodic table are arranged in a specific way, and this is nature that has done this, but people have recorded this and made a periodic table that reflects what can be observed in nature. So if you look at the periodic table, if you look at the various columns, like we have column 1 here, column 2 here, all the way up to column 18 over here, the elements in the periodic table are arranged so that elements in the same column bond in similar ways and have similar properties. So if you look down if you look down column 1, you'll see that it includes lithium, uh, sodium, potassium, rubidium, all of those elements. And I know it's kind of small to see, but all of those elements will bond in similar manners. Like row 17 has fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatine. So it just so happens that the elements in column 1, like sodium, bond fairly easily with the elements in column 17. So that's where you get sodium chloride from. Sodium comes from column 1, and chloride or chlorine comes from column 17. Elements on the left side of the periodic table are metals. In this image, the metals are shown in yellow. Metals tend to lose electrons. They don't hold on to their electrons, their outer electrons, very tightly. Because of this property, they're generally good conductors of electricity. Electricity involves the flow of charged particles. So electrons can flow through masses of metal. Metals can be bent and formed into useful shapes, such as wires, tubes, and flat plates that can then be bent into other useful shapes. Nonmetals are on the right side of the periodic table. In this periodic table, they're colored in purple. They tend to gain electrons, and they do not make good conductors of electricity.